Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 won't shut down problem. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand System Services, right-click Intel Management Engine Interface, click Properties. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Second method is Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Third method, right-click Desktop, click New Shortcut. Type shutdown space, -S space, -F space, -T space, 00. Right-click Shortcut, click Properties, click Change icon. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.